গুড ইভিনিং। দত্তাত্রেয়, কেমন আছো?
I'm doing okay. Okay.
আর ওয়েলকাম টু দ্য কাউন্সিল। So
Thank you
other
so much.
council members would like to know a bit more about you and your business. তো প্রথমেই কাউন্সিল মেম্বারসদের বলি যে হি বিলংস টু দ্য ফেমাস সেই দুলালের তালমিছরির ফ্যামিলি থেকে। সো কুড ইউ ইন্ট্রোডিউস yourself and also your company's name?
Hi, I'm Dr. Dhruv Bhor. I'm from Bhor Foods Private Limited, also known as Dulal Chandra Bhor. And my grandfather, he started this business in 1920s, along with some other businesses that we had in Bada Bazaar. That was sari trading, and we were also into cold storage, which we have again revived after like almost 22 years. And that's it. And I guess my we have business in our blood for, I guess I'm the fourth generation. So before my grandfather did business, my great grandfather was also into other kind of candy making, cotton making, and different kind of sari stitching, even making roads at one point of time with the
Okay.
Britishers. So that's how through we came to Bada Bazaar and this business started.
সো যখন শুরু হয়েছিল, আই থিঙ্ক দ্যাট ওয়াজ লাইক দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম দ্যাট মানে তাল মিছরি ওয়াজ বিন প্যাকেজড অ্যান্ড ব্র্যান্ডেড হোল্ড।
First time?
ফার্স্ট টাইম যে ব্র্যান্ডিং আর প্যাকেজিং হয়ে এটা বিক্রি হচ্ছে, সেটা কি দ্যাট ওয়াজ ডান ফর বাই ইয়োর কোম্পানি ফর দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম? লাইক তাল মিছরি তো আগেও নিশ্চয়ই
Yeah, I think
হতো,
first
বাট দেন আই
time
থিঙ্ক
we went
প্যাকেজিং।
into consumer. Uh, yeah, that was the first time we went to consumer-based products, as in not B2B but B2C. And I think that's why people got to know from this business. And we did a lot of marketing. I mean, as far as I know, and I've heard from people who are very old, they say ki there were ads in, I would say, in the cinema halls, in the hoardings in Shambazar, everywhere, in the TV, in the newspaper. So I guess that's how our company became known in the early stages.
and it's pretty much a household name in case. So একটা আমার খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং প্রশ্ন, সেটা হচ্ছে হোয়াট কাইন্ড অফ মোটিভেটেড ইউ টু জয়েন দিস বিজনেস? You had so many other options to go for. Why did you have to join the business?
Okay, so the thing is that I've always been in this environment. I'll do business like from the time I've grown up. So instead of having a conversation at the dinner table, ki, where will you get a job? So it's like, where will I invest the money? So it's always been like that. And I would say, like, whenever I used to go anywhere in the car, anywhere, my dad is like, uh, if you want to invest money, invest in this place. Land is this, land price will never go down. Or even it's like whenever Reliance brings out anything, and he's like, you know why he's doing this? It's because of this and that. And whenever even if I go out on the street, I'm looking at something and I'm like, that's a good business opportunity. Even for the timing, I guess there were 3 Ds that Geo did. So that was telling me why he's doing it and why he'll most probably win the game. And there's no chance of anyone defeating him, given the amount of technology-driven thing he's doing, and also
Okay.
money. So it's always in the conversations in the house key, where will I invest money or how to do businesses as a whole and why it's important.
Okay. So what do you think through this council that you will be able to achieve, or for the larger Bengali community, how do you think you'll be able to contribute in this council?
So I think the biggest problem, I guess, in our Bengali business community is that slowly the power and I would say money does stop. I mean, if you just have social contact, it doesn't work. So the money power, the social community of Bengali business, it's slowly eroding. And I've seen it. I was in Lamartine. I was also in Delhi. So I've seen how people look down on Bengalis per se. And unfortunately, in our own state, many people are like Bengali hai. And that really irritates me, honestly. So, and actually, Shubhashish, you also went with me to that TEDx talk, remember?
Right.
So, so there was this guy who said ki I was in Bada Bazar and we were in business and all the customers were Bengali. People were laughing, but I didn't take it as a very funny thing to say. And the thing is that in Bengali, we always have this thing in a chakri korbo, stable ache, joni ache, bikri kore debo, আমি fixed deposit এ খেয়ে নেবো. That doesn't work. And what I've realized is why the other communities are better off compared to us is one of the biggest question. The biggest problem is community, as in handling the problems within the community, helping each other, and also giving each other advice. Like for example, someone who's new in a Bengali community, he's doing a startup, we usually don't go and help him or her to see ki that business grows. But in other communities, they always say ki, listen, don't do this investment in this early stage. Do this. This will help you more in the long term. Which is also the reason why you see a lot of startups failing, because after few years of startup boom, you find there was a drop, and the biggest reason why they see the startup failed was because of there was no one there to mentor them. So even you see Tatas are investing into it, Ratan Tata. So he said the biggest hurdle was mentorship. So I think this will help the mentorship, the business council, and also connection between ourselves, and so that we can help each other. Even if I have a requirement, someone else is there in the council, I can tell him or her, please help me out. What can I do with this? So I guess within the community, the money transaction is very important.
Okay. So coming back to your business,
Yeah.
uh, I'm pretty curious to know as to how is your Talmichri different from any other Talmichri?
How is see the thing is that the biggest thing is branding and quality management, and more importantly, distribution. So the thing is that in many cases, I'll tell you. So Michri, it's a mix of chini and good. Okay. So in many cases, the good is very expensive if you see. So in order to reduce the what should I say cost, what they do is they burn the chini a lot, as in they put the chini on the burner for a much longer time, so it becomes blackish in color. And people think that's actually palmichi, but that's not. You don't get the what should I say um, উপকারটা, যেই উপকারটা আমরা পাই মানে গুড় থেকে। গুড় helps in what should I say cleaning the throat. And when you have cough or anything, the good cleans up the throat. So if you have this is mixed with chini, but if you have cold, if you have pure good, absolute good, which is in the liquid, if you take it from the plant and have it, by the next day your cold will be gone. That's for sure. And we know that as a matter of fact, because you've done it for centuries. So the thing is that our quality is actually maintained at the highest level. If by chance we see that someone is not, I mean, the good quality is not okay, then we basically discard it. It's not, even if the cost is high for discarding, we discard it. Not just that, even in many places, the hygiene, the people who are packing and all doing all these things, it's not properly maintained, because I have gone to other factories who have tried to copy, but we have seen what kind of unhygienic conditions they work in. So, like Palmichri, which is supposed to be given to kids, we are not going to play with that. For us, that's
Right.
the topmost priority. We'll ask you for a premium in price for that, but that premium is not for free. It comes with its own costs. That's for sure.
The প্রোডাক্টের গুণগত মান এবং ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন ইজ সামথিং উইচ ইউ স্ট্যান্ড ফর।
Yeah.
আরেকটা লাস্ট
And also,
কোয়েশ্চেন টু
marketing
ইউ।
is very important, I guess.
Yes. So the
in
last
today's world.
question.
It is.
Yeah. Right. So the last question that I have for you is then আমি এই শ্রীরামপুরে ওই একটা ফ্লুরিজ আছে। So I had gone there and then I suddenly saw this packet of chocolate যেখানে it's a talmichri mixed chocolate. So I thought, are you even planning to, what is the next plan that you have in mind? যে এরপরে কি করা যেতে পারে? What new that you can do in your
Yeah.
industry?
So I'm working on this. So for many years, what I see is that there's a huge gap between me and my dad, and obviously grandfather, whatever. So in age, there's a huge difference, and also in mentality. So what I'm working on for last 2 3 years, what I've done is I've pushed the company people and the company to upgrade its how it thinks about the customer and all these things. So what I now, after settling all these problems, what I've done is I'm looking for premium products like the one which you're saying. So I'm looking at pure good, absolutely pure good, 100%. So that's only for the premium products, and I'm looking for spaces like how should I say it? Have you seen that Nature's Basket in Park Street
Right.
Electrome? Jega
হ্যাঁ,
Music World Chilo?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
Yeah, so like that. So it'll be in a premium packaging.
Okay.
It'll be in places like that. The placement will also be like that. Not just marketing in papers, marketing in premium places like India Today magazine or people who have that buying capacity. So we are now in the middle level. Now I want to go up in the premium. And once
Okay.
I go into the premium, I want to use this brand name for further extension into other products, not necessarily Michri related, but other sweet products maybe in the future.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your time. So we hope